Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about what a work from home girl needs to know, like everything right from her hair to skincare to clothes, makeup, everything. So recently on my Instagram story, I asked you girls that what is your concern when you have to get ready for your work from home Zoom call or just work from home in general, and so many of you guys had so many concerns, right from your under eye bags to your blemishes to your hair. You don't know what to wear, your skincare, everything. So I'm gonna cover all of these topics in today's video. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, before we get into this video, let's just appreciate the fact that we have to sit at home and work, and we don't have to step out of our house to earn our bread and butter. There are people who have to step out of their house every day in order to do that. So we are really lucky. If you guys know anything about me, I am a huge fanatic when it comes to skincare. I love doing skincare, may it be daytime or nighttime, because no matter how much makeup you put on your face, if your skin is not glowing from within, it's not gonna work. You have to target the problems that your skin is facing. So majority of the girls told me that they suffer from under eyes and puffy eyes. After you have woken up, obviously you will brush your teeth and freshen up, and then you have to depuff your eyes immediately. That is the best time to depuff your eyes. So I have been using this tool recently whenever I have to film early morning and my eyes are extremely puffy. This works really great. But if you don't have this tool, you can just freeze 2 spoons and put it on your eyes and you're good to go. Or you can even use ice, wrap it up in a hanky, and you can just start rubbing it under your eyes. That will immediately depuff your eyes. So I will just talk a little about this tool. So this is what I've gotten from Amazon. It has vibrations, so once you start, once you twist, this starts vibrating. It has different heads as well. This is the head I like to use when I have to depuff my eyes. I freeze it in my freezer overnight, and in the morning I take it out, attach on this, and start depuffing my eyes. Okay, next problem girls had was whiteheads and blackheads. Now this is a problem which will not go overnight. You have to keep on doing things on your nose in order to get rid of the texture and the blackheads and whiteheads you have. But the tool that I have been using recently is this one. Again, I have gotten this from Amazon. So this is like a suction. Okay, let's just imagine that didn't happen. So this is like a suction tool. So again, this has a battery inside, so you have to switch it on. I don't know if you guys can hear the noise. So you just have to put it on your nose, and it just sucks your skin. So you just have to put it on your nose, and it just sucks the gunk out, and it's not extremely harsh, so don't worry. It will not get rid of your blackheads, let me just tell you that. It will just get rid of the gunk and the whiteheads that you have, and it will give a smoother appearance. I am using this for a week almost every day or every alternate day, and I have seen a difference. My nose literally feels very smooth, and the makeup that I put sits on really well. It gets in your crevices really well. A lot of you girls told me that when you put makeup, it looks very odd in this area. Maybe you should give a try to this product and it will work out for you. Now you can do this step either after you have washed your face with warm water or after you have taken a bath with warm water. What it does is that it just opens up the pores on your nose, and it's easy for the device to suck out the gunk. Then the next problem girls had was their skin looks very dull no matter what they do. So this is the product maybe you should give a try to. This is the Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash, which is having vitamin C and turmeric, which is meant for skin illumination. So this is the face wash you can go in with if you deal with that problem. It has like a yellow gel consistency, and it also smells like adrak, which is very interesting in my opinion. It just wakes you up in the morning. So yeah, okay, let's move on, and the next step is going to be a toner. Now all these steps might look very lengthy, but they are not. It's just a matter of 15 minutes, trust me, because I'm talking so much. It is looking very lengthy, but face wash करने में, toner लगाने में ज़्यादा time लगता नहीं है. So this is the toner that you guys should go in after you have used a face wash. This is the Vitamin C face toner by Mamaearth again. Now if you have followed my channel since a very long time, you know that I really like this toner, and I have also spoken about this in my monthly favorites previously. Guys, it has started raining very heavily, so if you can hear pitter patter, please forgive me for that. But let's come back to the topic. So this toner is meant for pore tightening. I'm not gonna waste much time in talking about this product. I'll leave a video where I've talked about this product in depth, so you can watch that video. video later. Let's move on and put a face mask. Now a lot of you guys would say that you don't have time to put face mask. Now this is completely optional. If you want to go in with a face mask, then only go in with a face mask if you have time. But a lot of you girls told me that you don't have to attend a Zoom call every day, or you don't have to attend a Zoom call immediately after you have woken up. So I'm guessing that you probably have time to put a face mask and you can work side by side or have breakfast side by side. So this is the mask I would recommend. This is the Mamaearth Vitamin C face mask. It has vitamin C obviously and kaolin clay. Now these products are meant to give you skin illumination, which is going to target the dull skin problem that you girls are having. This mask is meant to firm and brighten your skin and also even out your skin tone. I have always supported Mamaearth. I have been working with them since a very long time now. It's time that we start supporting Indian brands because hashtag vocal for local. And Mamaearth does not have any parabens or sulfates in their products. It's made with natural ingredients. It is also certified by PETA as cruelty free. If you are interested, you can use Mansi 2020 on their official website and you can get 20% off. I'm not gonna earn anything because of this code. It's just for you guys. If you don't want to shop from there, it's okay. You can buy these products on Amazon and Nykaa as well. Okay, so this is the last step of skincare, and then we are gonna move on to hair and makeup and clothes. After you have come out of the bath, it's important to go in with a sunscreen or a cream which has some amount of SPF, and they have launched this new product. This is the vitamin C face cream, and it again has vitamin C with SPF 20, which will protect your face from UVA and UVB rays. It does not have a greasy texture, so it's perfect for this humid weather. And after I have put this cream, I go in with the facial massager again, but this time I will use this head which has like 2 roller balls, and I will start going on the contours of my face. It again helps to depuff your face and also promotes blood flow, and which will give you that internal glow that you need. You can clearly see it on my skin. It is definitely the effect of the entire vitamin C range that I have used, and also this face massager. Okay, let's move on to some tips and tricks to look presentable. Let's start with the hair. Now if you know me, you know that I am very comfortable with leaving my hair open like this. I'm always like this in my house as well. I either have my hair open or I tie it in a bun. But a lot of the times when you tie your hair in a bun the entire day in a very tight high pony, your hair is constantly having tension on your scalp, and that leads to hair breakage. So I would suggest that do not tie your hair in a bun the entire day. You can tie your hair for some time, then leave it open for some time, or braid your hair. I think putting your hair in a braid is a fantastic option. Here I am trying to put my hair in a braid because my hair is short, so it keeps coming out of the braid. But if you have longer hair, it's gonna look very pretty and you're probably gonna look like Naina from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. If you're not comfortable with braids, you can go in with the bun. This is how I like to do my bun. It's very easy, and then I puff my hair in the front and also take out some front sections. Next up, to hide your dark circles, you need glasses like these. Now I have bought these from John Jacobs. These are the Blu-ray cut glasses which help you to not damage your eyes because of the blue radiation that you get from any sort of screen, maybe your phone or laptop. I think every girl needs to have this. Now if you already wear specs, you probably have that filter on your glasses, but if you don't have specs and if you don't have any number, I think you need to buy glasses like these. I've recently bought these and I have seen a major difference. I do not have headache anymore. My sleep cycle has gotten better. So yeah, a big shout out to these glasses. Now they look very stylish. Now wearing big glasses like these, it's like a great hack I would give you guys, because the attention goes from your under eyes to the glasses directly. So that's a great tip, and it also protects your eyes, so why not? But if you are still worried about your under eye circles, then go ahead and conceal your under eyes. I'm gonna use this concealer by PAC in the shade Stark Nude. It's my favorite concealer of all time. It has great coverage, it looks very skin-like under your eyes, and yeah, I just don't have any complaints with it. And I think concealing is needed when you have like an important work Zoom call. So yeah, and I would do this one more extra step if I have a Zoom call to attend, that is putting on a lip balm. and also putting that same lip balm on my cheeks to like make my skin look more flushed and youthful. Now I have made like a no makeup look. It looks like this. I think you should go give it a watch if you're interested. But this is like a hack that I use my lip balm as my blush because it has that balmy texture. It looks so skin like, and it also gives like a highlighter effect without having to use a highlighter. Now last but not the least is clothes. Now so many of you girls had this doubt that Mansi, what should we wear to look presentable? We don't know what to wear when we have work calls. So the answer is a white shirt, because white shirt is like the epitome of classy formal wear. Now I'm gonna wear this sheer white shirt which is like formal but also casual at the same time. It does not look OTT, and my sister actually bought this from Bandra years ago, so I cannot give you like an online link. Or if you don't have a white shirt, maybe you can go in with a shrug. I think every girl has a black or a grey shrug. So yeah, you can just throw that on when you have a Zoom call and you're good to go. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.